I only have one little brother, and I don't think I'd be able to spend that much time with him. How are you doing it?
I'm just trying to stay out of it, like locking myself in my room when I don't have to deal with my sisters because it's the only place I can be alone and have some quiet.
Oh man, that sucks.
It's just the way it is, and it's not going to change. Sometimes I wish I could just disappear, just not be here anymore, not have to deal with my messed up life.
When you said you wanted to disappear, you didn't mean that, right? Like, you're not talking about suicide, are you?
What? No. Jeez, Michael, you've been watching too many Lifetime movies or something.